At a certain point in time, we will think about going live with our blog. This means we expect people to read our articles, as well as be able to search for them on the internet using keywords. That means we will have to optimize our pages for search engines like Google. At the very least, we need to have page title and description unified for SEO purposes. This indicates we need some new common fields on a lot of our different templates. We can easily solve this with template inheritance. The solution is to create a new base template containing these common fields and make all of our old templates inherit from that one. First, we'll create a new folder called Base Templates. Now inside that folder, we can create a new base template. Rename the content section to SEO, and now we can add the two new fields as planned, title and description. We use single-line text for our title, multi-line text for description since it might be longer. Let's save our new template and see how we can add it to our article. Open up the article template and go to Settings. On the bottom of the Settings page, we can pick and choose multiple base templates. For now, we will add Page SEO and save changes. Now, if we open an existing article or create a new one, we can see a new section dedicated to SEO.